right, we have Sass family here for game number 2, which is called High Roller. And the things that you will need to play this game is the High Roller record sheet and 2 die.
You could also make your own record sheet off a piece of paper or a Post-it note.
Absolutely. Okay, so Marley, can you talk us through how we would play this game?
Okay, so what you're gonna do is you will roll your dice. You will. Oh my. Woo!
You were lucky.
You would pick your highest one. Well, I can pick whatever one I want. You would roll it again.
Wow. Jeez.
6 times 6 is 36, so I'd write 36.
So your first roll, you keep the highest die, and then you roll the second one,
Oh, it's my turn, right?
and then you will multiply those 2 factors. So let's see what
I'm
Mr.
going to
Sass
keep the
does.
6, and I'm going to bring the 2 back. And I'm going to go 6 times 3 is 18. Marley's going to put 18 right there because I kept my highest one first and multiplied my second roll. Now it's Marley's turn. She has a 5 and a 2. She keeps the 5. And she goes 5 times 4 is 20. So I need to roll some sort of crazy number to even be in the game, which I cannot do. I'll keep the 5. I'm going to roll a 1. So I have a 5 right there. And then we use our addition skills and we add them up. And she has 56.
56.
And I have 23. So she has way, way more than me. Actually,
How much more does Marley have?
she has twice as much, or 100% much.
So you can always do extra work.
Yeah, just to make fun of me, she's subtracting and saying that I don't know how to roll. Good luck, everybody, in Mrs. Sass's class. This is
Oh, but how can we make this more challenging? You know, if this only does factors to 6, what could we do? Can we do a little bit of associative property here?
if we need to do something that's a little bit tougher.
Tough.
Okay, watch this. I'm going to roll 3 dice instead of 2. I still take the highest one, and I keep it.
Marley.
Oh, you keep 2.
I keep the 3 out there. That was my highest, which wasn't a great roll. And now I'm going to multiply. 3 times 1 is 3 times 2 is 6. It's very difficult to get a worse roll than that.
Let's see if Marley can do it the associative
Give
property
me a
way.
6, by the way, in my total score.
Right there.
Okay, fine.
And if you needed to help writing it out, could you write it down on that paper too in an
Yeah.
associative property way?
And we put it in a sheet so you can use a dry erase marker.
Okay.
So
Pick your highest one.
I did only pick 2.
Marley, pick your highest one.
She's got a 5. And it got worse.
Okay, so what are you going to do?
10.
Well, how do you
So-
do 10?
So you multiply 1 times 2 is 2. 2. You basically take away the 1 and do 2 times.
Okay, so let's see if we can get one that doesn't have to do with 1. Let's try to get a harder one. Let's.
My turn. I have a 4.
2 ones.
Whoa! Here we go. 4 times 5 is 20.
You don't have to yell.
Yes, I do, because they're big numbers. If it's big numbers, you have to yell. 20 times 6 is 120.
Nice. So now Mr. Sass is
I'm
in
going to write it.
the
I get to write it. Okay, so I did. What do I end up with? 4 first, right?
Yes.
Okay.
No, right here.
I'm doing it down here.
Oh, okay.
4 times 5 times 6. And my total is 120.
My question to you is, if you moved these around and if you did it that way now, would it still be the same answer?
Yes, because what that is the,
Associative.
well, you could group it with parentheses, associate property, or I could write it right over here, and I could write 4 times 5 times 6, or 6 times 4 times 5, and it's always 120 because
It's
this is the
commutative.
associative property, this is the commutative property. Just in case you did not get enough math properties for the day.
And if you want to make it even more challenging,
You could do 4 dice. Now you're talking about getting a piece
Alright.
of paper out.
Have fun, everyone.